Hello everybody, I am Dr. Jishnu Bhattacharya. Let me introduce you to this course of elements of solar energy conversion. So, you can see the title is elements of solar energy conversion, and I am pitching it to the mechanical engineering stream. Okay. So, I would expect that you have some background in mechanical engineering either in UG or PG level, or you can, if you have some other background, you can generate the background required for this course. Okay. So, I am planning for 12 weeks of lecture. So, there will be about 35 lectures of less than an hour. Okay. So, that is the plan, and the course will be floated in January 2021. And what would be the nature of the course, you might be interested. It will be an elective course. If you are interested in this area of solar energy conversion, you should attend this course or credit this course, and it is intended for PG and senior UG students who already are exposed to the requisite background. I am just going to tell the background right now. Okay. And will the course help in GATE preparation? I would say no, that is not the purpose. And for others, like for the engineers who are trying to understand some basics of the conversion mechanisms, okay, who might have exposed to the technologies, but they want to learn the background of them, they can also take this course. Okay. That will be interesting. So, what background I am expecting from the students? The prerequisite knowledge, that would be the undergraduate basic thermodynamics, okay, the heat transfer, and also some basic electronics which will be required for photovoltaic part. Okay. And of course, no engineering or science course can go without the background in mathematics. So, that I am also using, or I am expecting that background from you, but it is not heavy hardcore mathematics. It will be simple algebra, and then maybe some ordinary differential equations you will be using. So, yeah, about me, I am the instructor of this course. My name is Jishnu Bhattacharya, and I am an associate professor in mechanical engineering, IIT Kanpur. Okay, I work in the field of energy storage, conversion through sustainable routes, and I teach thermodynamics, heat transfer, air conditioning, and also atomistic simulation for energy materials, electrochemical energy storage such as batteries, and solar energy conversion as well. Okay. So, prior to joining IIT Kanpur, I was associated either as a teacher, researcher, or a student with these institutions: IIT Kharagpur, Northwestern University in Chicago, University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and I did my undergrad from Bengal Engineering College, Shibpur. Okay. So, that is a short sketch of my career, and the objective of the course, as I was saying earlier, is to introduce the basic concepts. Okay. You cannot expect from a course which covers all different kinds of conversion technologies to go deep in any of them. So, my purpose here to introduce you to all the basic concepts that you require. Okay. And they will be helpful for engineers who are working in the solar energy technology field. Okay. That will give you more grasp on the technologies that they are using for every day. Okay. And of course, the industrial installations will be easier. Okay. And if you want to take some research endeavor, that is also useful to attempt this course. And the major focus or major topics that we are going to cover are the apparent movement of the sun, irradiation prediction, intensity estimation on tilted plane, okay. Then flat plate collectors, all kinds of concentrating collectors, okay. And then details of the conversion based on that, the thermal route and the photovoltaic route for solar energy conversion. So, this is the basic objective of the course that we are going to cover. Okay. Another major question you might have is about the books. So, there are few books available, but none of them covers all the different topics I am going to talk about. Okay. So, I am giving you a list of few books, and parts of these books will be taught in this course. One is a very classical book on this topic, which is by Duffy and Beckman, okay, and it is published by Wiley. And then the major textbook, if you want to buy and if you follow it, the textbook that I am going to follow is this Sukhatme and Nayak book, okay. And then there is for photovoltaics, then there is one very good book by Professor Solanki from IIT Bombay, and a new book that came out few years ago by Professor Kalogiro, that is also very up to date with lot many details of modern day technologies, okay. And another book I occasionally followed is by Garg and Prakash. So, these are the suggested books, and here I mention the topics that we are going to cover. I am not going to read it out, but you can say there are 12 weeks that we are going through the course, and you can think of there will be 3 major portions, okay. So, one would be, let me write it here, one would be the background in terms of solar radiation, okay, and intensity calculation, on tilted plane. So, that will cover about a third of the course, okay. The second major important topic is the flat plate collector and the concentrating collectors, okay. And those will also cover the thermal conversion. So, that will again take about a third of the whole material, and third and last thing we are going to cover is the photovoltaic conversion. Okay. So, this is the major differentiation of the course outline, and I hope that you will enjoy this course, you will learn it, and you will interact with me and the teaching assistants through the forum, and we will have the evaluations also. So, please pay attention, and I welcome all of you to this course. Thank you very much.